To use a Visa gift card on COD Mobile, start by opening the game and navigating to the in-game store. Here you can purchase various items such as cosmetics and in-game currency. Next, click on the payment method option and select the Add Payment Method or Pay with Credit Card option. A new window will open where you will be asked to enter your card details. Enter the 16-digit card number on the front of your Visa gift card, the expiration date, and the security code on the back of the card. Make sure to enter the correct details to avoid any errors. Also, ensure that the name and address associated with the gift card match the details you enter in the game. This is to prevent any verification issues. Once you have entered the details, click on the Confirm button to proceed with the payment. You will then be asked to verify the payment through a verification code sent to your email or phone number associated with the card. After verifying the payment, the transaction will be processed and the items will be added to your in-game account. Make sure to check the balance on your gift card before making a purchase to ensure you have sufficient funds. It is also important to note that some gift cards may have restrictions or limitations. So make sure to check the terms and conditions before using them. By following these steps, you can easily use a Visa gift card to make purchases on COD Mobile.